In a world where missions depend on secure, uninterrupted communication, QNu Labs unveils the world's first Made in India, built for global quantum-safe, end-to-end drone communication platform. Achieve digital sovereignty, cyber sovereignty, technological and data sovereignty today. Built with Crystal's Kyber encryption, onboard QRNG, and AES 256 GCM with compliance to global standards like NIST PQC, FIPS 203, and FIPS 142. This system safeguards every command, video, and telemetry feed. From real-time tamper detection to post-quantum readiness, it's protection you can trust, even in tomorrow's mission-critical projects and future warfare. Compact, lightweight, energy efficient. NIST and FIPS compliant. End-to-end quantum-ready encryption. OTA Updates. Easy integration across other industry-grade controllers and APIs. Built for global defense and India's future-ready forces. This is not just innovation, it's India's quantum leap. Tomorrow's quantum security, today. Visit QNuLabs.com, scan the QR to request a demo, or email us at info@QNuLabs.com.